Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to put a Honda CR-V in neutral with a dead battery. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. It's actually fairly easy to do. Now, let me explain this first and foremost. Basically, there's going to be an electronic safety switch within the shifter, and that electronic safety switch only allows you to shift it out of park when the brake is pressed. So if I try and shift it right now, I can't shift it because the brake is not pressed. But if I press the brake now, all of a sudden I can shift it into reverse really easily and back into park. Okay? And the safety switch, you can actually hear that electronic safety switch. When I press the brake, I want you to listen closely. When I press the brake intermittently, you can hear that safety switch going tick, 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 just like that. So when I press the brake, the safety switch basically disengages. And then I can shift it out of park. When I release the brake, it engages again and it's stuck in park. Now, because it's electronic, that means that if your battery is dead, then you can't shift it out of park. If you have a dead battery, you can't activate, or I should say deactivate or disengage that electronic safety switch. But there's a manual way to do it, and I'm gonna pan the camera with my heavy duty editing skills like this. There we go. So as you can see right here with my newly edited video footage shot over here, there's actually a little hole over here. And this hole is designed to sort of bypass that electronic safety switch. So if your battery is dead and you want to shift it into neutral or shift it out of park for whatever reason, if you want to get it towed or whatever you're going to do with it, you're trying to push it, whatever the case is, you can actually take your car key and insert it in here. So there's a cap on it right here. You just got to pop off that cap. So you can use a screwdriver, or you can probably even maybe get your key wedged in there, and then you can pop off that cap and take your key and insert it in there. With your key inserted in there and sort of pressed down a bit, then you can actually shift this out of park and into neutral, because you will have deactivated or disengaged the electronic safety switch. Now, this is a 2017 Honda CR-V EXL trim level. So what that means, and you know, most newer vehicles are not going to have an actual key. You're going to have a key fob, but there's a way to remove the actual key from it. I've done a whole separate video on it. It's pretty easy to do. Essentially, there's a little on the back of the key fob. I have mine in my jacket, and my jacket is to the side, so I'm not going to get it out, but on the back of the key fob, there's a little sort of like lever, and if you hold that lever to the side, you can actually pull the key out of the key fob, and that's the key that you can use to insert into that, because there's no key. It's keyless entry, so there's no key, but there is a hidden key inside of it. You can also look for how to get a Honda CR-V, you know, key out of the key fob on YouTube, and you're probably going to find my video on showing you how to get the hidden key or the secret key out of it. But yeah, that's basically it. That's how to put a CR-V in neutral with a dead battery. A full tutorial, super easy to do, and I've sort of explained how to do it, but I also wanted to explain why you can't just put it in neutral, you know, like just regularly when the battery is dead, because of that electronic safety switch that I talked to you about and that I sort of let you listen to and that I showed you about as well. And that's it. If you like this video tutorial / explanation / demonstration, please be sure to give it a nice awesome thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.